So we're out here trying to finish up 160 acres of hay. Quite a lot. Made over 250 bales on what we did cut. Around 250, I think. Hay partner of mine over there, V-rake. It's a flex rake and a John Deere baler, the new one. And his John Deere 5100E tractor. It's actually his property. We're doing some cleanup for next season, trying to get all the grass cut out. We hauled 5 or 6 loads out so far of hay. There's a whole bunch more over the hill of acreage you can't see. Watch him run his flex rake. He's just about finished. Kicking a bale. Rakes, bales, all at the same time. Nice Oklahoma sunset. Real pretty out here today. 62 degrees in January 7th. Looks like he's got just a couple more passes over there, cleaning up what he's got left. $460M on the baler. We just bought that late last season. Been a good baler so far. Had any issues out of it? And the moon's already out. And the sun's setting. It's a strange setup. Trying to get this all cleared off by, see, today's Tuesday, by Thursday we have a chance of rain. So come out tomorrow, we'll have all this hauled out. Still a little soft yet here. We'll have all this hauled out of here and stacked. Trying to get enough grass there to get a baler, pick up some scraps.
I told you this morning.
No problem.
Good traction.
Yes, it is soft.
I just mean like if you needed to move it just like that. I'm not a big fan of loading without something on the back.
Yeah.
I would typically drop those bales and give you a little more.
here on the 160 still, trying to haul some hay in before it rains. Got rain chances tomorrow and Friday. Thursday and Friday, it's Wednesday now. I think it's the 8th or something. Waiting on him to load me up. He's out here stacking stacks of 14 for us. Nice day here in Oklahoma. 63 degrees. Talking about a cold spell coming in for us in the next 6 or 7 days. Chance been out here all day hauling hay. Really windy today. Mt5 7.3, double spikes front and rear, all day long, every day, no problem. Probably moved around 300 or 400 bales last day or two. I mean, we've hauled way more than that all year, but tractor here has probably been out here for a solid week, working 8-10-hour days. We got another 60-acre plot. We got to go get all the hay picked up on it as well. So we're looking at all day, most of the night tonight, hauling hay. We got a couple of these trucks and trailers running. Bales haul tomorrow to a customer, probably 200 after that to another customer. Pretty cold weather, everybody freaks out a little bit. Sorry if it's windy. We really like the affordability, the economical use of these tractors. They don't cost a lot to operate. Operation cost of these is fairly cheap, good warranty, so spend a ton of cash to maintain them and operate them. Gotta go to my dealer, pick up about $700 worth of filters. Time for some services due on them. Hear anything at all this wind. Nick is 25 miles out of the south today.